Hey, I'm Daniel here with filmora.io, and today we're going to talk about creating your channel trailer. Your trailer is a video you set to play on your channel page for anyone who visits that isn't already subscribed to you. You can use it to let them know what kind of videos you make and convince them to subscribe.
Hey, what's up? This channel is all about empowering you to make your very best video.
Here are 5 tips. Keep it short. Your channel trailer shouldn't be longer than 1 minute. You'll need to make your point quickly before the viewer gets distracted by something else. Provide essential information. Assume that the person watching your trailer doesn't know anything about you. Let them know who you are, what kinds of videos you make, and what you hope to get out of watching your content. Include a sizzle reel. Look through your videos and make a short reel of the most exciting moments to include in your trailer. Don't just tell viewers your channel is cool. Show them. Ask them to subscribe. People are always more likely to subscribe if they're prompted to. You can wait to ask until the end of your trailer, or you can ask at both the beginning and end. End on a high note. Your trailer should leave viewers wanting more. Ending on a joke, a surprise, or just an exciting moment is a great way to hook people in. Thanks for watching. Tell me about your channel trailer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.